How to change song on Instagram post after posting. So if you want to change your song on your Instagram post after posting, and then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile. Here you need to go with a post that you would like to change. Now go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. From here you will have an edit option. Tap on edit. And as you can see that you will be able to add audio. If you've not added an audio before, then you'll be able to add audio. But if you already have added an audio, and if you want to change that song, then you won't have the option. In my case, I don't have any audio to my post, so I'll just simply tap on add audio and I'll be able to add an audio. But if you go with a post that has audio, like for example this one, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, tap on edit. And as you can see that you won't find an option of add audio, because you won't be able to add audio or song once you've already added while uploading. So unfortunately, there's no way. What you can do is just delete the post that you've added. You need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, scroll all the way down and then tap on delete, which will be on the bottom. After deleting, you can again repost it. So that's the only way. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.